December 24th, 2009, and this isn't really a Christmas present, but Jack's saucer turns into a little walking station. And this is your first time using it. What do you think? Yeah. Hey. Seen everybody in the family has stockings. And Santa comes tonight. Hi. Hey. 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 Can you say Merry Christmas? Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. You're a little drooly on your shirt, buddy. 10 months old, still no teeth, but he's been acting like he's been teething for 7 months. No teeth yet. Can you show us how you can move from one spot to the next? How about coming down this way? Jack. Come on. Eat it. Ha ha. Whoa. Ooh. Gotta walk over to it, bud.